മൂന്നാമത്തെ ഐറ്റത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കുകയാണ്. അതിനു മുൻപായി പ്രൊഫസർ ഡോക്ടർ ശ്രുതി ബന്ദോപാധ്യായ് is a rare combination of dancer scholar who was awarded the Academy Puraskar in Manipuri dance by Sangeet Natak Academy in 2020. She was awarded the top grade in Manipuri dance by Doordarshan in 2002. Being a recognized artist of Sangeet Natak Academy, ICCR and other organizations, she is at present a professor in Manipuri dance in Vishwabharati, Shantiniketan. She received the prestigious visiting lecturer Fulbright Fellowship in 2007 for teaching and performing in the University of California, Los Angeles, USA. She has also been the recipient of the Academic Staff Commonwealth Fellowship in 2012, with which she taught at the University of Surrey, UK. She is the first Manipuri dance artist to have been awarded the prestigious Academy Puraskar as well as an academic D.Litt in Manipuri dance, which she received in the year of 2010 from Vishwabharati. She regularly performs, lectures and writes. She has 6 books and many articles on dance to her credit, and 20 students have been awarded PhD under her supervision. ഇന്നിവിടെ പെർഫോം ചെയ്ത ഡോക്ടർ സോമാഭ ബന്ദോപാധ്യായ്. Dr. Somabha Bandyopadhyay is a classical Manipuri dance artist who performed for the first time at the age of 3 years and is a disciple of Professor Shruti Bandyopadhyay. She has also undergone training under Guru K. Jatindra Singh, Guru Darshana Jhaveri and Preeti Patel. Somabha has been performing for more than 20 years. She has been awarded the Center for Cultural Resources and Training, CCRT Scholarship, Ministry of Culture, Government of India for 10 years, and the scholarship to Young Artist, Ministry of Culture, Government of India in 2018. She won the Nalanda Nritya Nipuna Award from Nalanda Dance Research Center, Mumbai in 2020 and first position in the West Bengal Youth Festival 2018 of the Government of West Bengal. She has participated as a solo performer and as a member of Shruti performing troupe at several national and international festivals like Choreography Festivals of Sangeet Natak Academy, Youth Festival of Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, Gundecha, Bengal, Sadhana Festival, New Delhi, Horizon Series of ICCR, Nakshatra Festival of NCPA, Mumbai, Guruvayur Temple Festival, Kerala, including in countries like South Africa, Singapore, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and South Korea. Her recent solo performances include Gundecha Festival, Kolkata, Kapila Valsyan Festival, Alok Murali Festival, Nritya Kaumudini Dance Festival, Eluru. Naveen Pradibha by Pradibha Cultural Center, Bardwan. Kachaba Samarpan Dance Festival at JNMDA, Manipur. Nritya Naveen Dance Festival by Nipun Nritalaya, Kolkata. 48th Gundecha Festival by ISKCON, Kolkata. And Nada Niranjanam Tirupati Dance Festival, among others. She has participated regularly with her mother and Guru Professor Shruti Bandyopadhyay at the National Program of Dance, Doordarshan. Somabha was awarded the Telegraph School Awards in 2012 for her outstanding achievement as a dancer and the Nritya Jyoti Award at the Naveen Kalakar Festival 2013. Somabha has been awarded the Best Volunteer Award by National Service Scheme, Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of India in 2018 for her contribution in imparting dance training to tribal students of Odisha. Somabha also has 2 research publications on dance titled Dance Choreographies, A Quest for Legality 2017 and Dance as a Mode of Expression in 2012. She regularly writes scholarly articles on dance and law. Her recently publication includes Rabindra Nritya as traditional cultural expression, advocating legal protection of the traditional cultural expression. Somabha is an advocate of the Calcutta High Court and a graduate National Law School of India University, Bangalore, LLM, and School of Law, KIT University, Bhubaneswar, BLLB, and is gold medal holder at both the levels. She is presently working as Assistant Professor, Department of Law, Forensic Justice and Policy Studies, National Forensic Science University, Delhi, and has been in Montreal at the School of Criminology, University of Montreal, under the Indo-Canadian Shastri Mitax Research Scholarship. ഇന്ന് രണ്ടാമതായി പെർഫോം ചെയ്ത കലാകാരി Shreya Mahata. Shreya Mahata is a Rabindra Nritya artist and PhD scholar from Sangeet Bhavana, Vishwabharati Shantiniketan, West Bengal. She completed her B Music and M Music degree from Vishwabharati Shantiniketan. She is a young artist scholarship holder from CCRT, New Delhi. She is qualified UGC NET in performing art. She has won several accolades as a Rabindra Nritya artist on for performing excellent Raibanshe, traditional dance form of West Bengal. She has also specialized in Manipuri dance. She regularly performs at various states like Assam, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, etc. Performed several national and international festivals of India like Kapila Valsyayan, Modera Dance Festival, Nakshatra Dance Festival, Nishagandhi Dance Festival, Sangeet Natak Academy, etc. Also performed in abroad. She got the opportunity to perform on the occasion of Tagore's birth anniversary from ICCR, China. She worked as a mentor of various workshops organized by Shruti Performing Troupe and others. Her recent two publications on dance titled Rabindra Nritya as Traditional Cultural Expression, advocating legal protection of the traditional cultural expression. Presently, she is associated with Shruti Performing Troupe and is dedicated to her training under Professor Dr. Shruti Bandyopadhyay. The last presentation is a depiction of the Rasa Leelas of Manipuri. The duo shall present two items, one from the Udukal Rasa of Manipuri, that is based on the childhood pranks of Krishna, and another composition from the Krishna and Radha's Rasa Leela, known as the Nitya Rasa of Manipuri. They shall begin with a much revered as well as popular composition of Guru Bipin Singh, Nani Churi. Nani Churi is a very special composition of Guru Bipin Singh and is one of the most famous compositions that be created based on the childhood pranks of Krishna. As the name suggests, it depicts stealing of buttermilk by Krishna and his friends. It's inspired from the Udukal Rasa of Manipur. It's set on Tala, Tanchep and Menkap. Next will be an excerpt from the Rasa Leela on Talas. Brahmatala and Tanchep composed by Guru Bipin Singh and choreographed by Professor Dr. Shruti Bandyopadhyay. An excellent example of his creativity where the famous Rasa Leela of Manipur is represented on proscenium. This item is an excerpt from the production Bhakti Rasa Sudharasa. It's sung by Draupadi Devi and Pungvadan by Toiba Singh. Shreya Mahata as Radha and Somabha Bandyopadhyay as Krishna. അവസാന ഇനത്തിലേക്ക് ശ്രേയ മഹതയും സോമാഭ ബന്ദോപാധ്യായും രാധാകൃഷ്ണന്മാരായി.
খোলে ধরিয়া মন্থার হরষিত মনে কৃষ্ণ ডাকে চুপে চুপে গেল হরষিত মনে কৃষ্ণ ডাকে চুপে চুপে গেল দধি খোলে খাও খাও বলে দধি খোলে খাও খাও বলে নিকটে না দেখে মায় নিকটে না দেখে মায় চলিয়া যাদু বরায় প্রবেশ করিল আসি ঘরে ধরিয়া মন্থার ছেনাননি সারি সারি ছেনাননি সারি সারি শিকারে করে করে শিকারে করে 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 ভয়ে রাখি আছে দূরে ধরিয়া পীড়িত উপরে পেরে রাখিল যতনে হরি পীড়িত উপরে পেরে রাখিল যতনে হরি রাখিল যতনে হরি পীড়িত উপরে পেরে দুঃখ লয়া হরি পীড়ির উপরে পীড়ে দুঃখ লয় করে দাঁড়াইল করিয়া যতনে দাঁড়াইল করিয়া যতনে পাঁচনিতে খণ্ড ছেদে উপধারে করে যদি একটু পাতে চালু বদনে একটু পাতে চালু বদনে সহসা শব্দ শুনে ভয়ে কাঁপে নিল মনি আইলো বুঝি আইলো যার সময় কি হবে বলে ভয়ে হরি রে আঙুলে আইলো বুঝি কি হবে উপায় আইলো বুঝি কি হবে উপায় বদনে নাহি ধরে মুখ মুখ মাইয়া পড়ে নীলগিরি মাইয়া পড়ে ধরা নীলগিরি মাইয়া পড়ে ধরা দিকে ধাই রে। ঘরোলাঙ্গ ভাণ্ড করে নাচি যে হরষ হরি, ঘরোলাঙ্গ ভাণ্ড করে নাচি যে হরষ হরি। এদিক ওদিক ধাই রে, এদিক ওদিক ধাই রে, এদিক ওদিক ধাই রে।
Your power and splendor leave me spellbound. O Krishna, and your greatness makes you my master. Then, Krishna, I become your playful companion. Next, you become a child on whom I lavish my love. Finally, I become your beloved and you mine. We were two and we become one. You are no longer my Lord nor my master, just my beloved and nothing else. I have traveled birth after birth to seek union with you. In your love, I attain my highest bliss.
शोभन जाहारतन सिंहासन तापड दूजन ललितादि सखी संगे नाना लीला रंगे श्रीमान मधु वृंदा ललित लवंगल तापर शीलना कोमल बालाय समीरे मधुकरणिकर करम्बित कोकिल पूजित हरिः सरसवसन्ति नृत्यति जुवति जनेन शमां सखी विरहि जना शादुरा अन्ते वृंदावन उमंग जगोई सारी सखीसिंहना इकोई कोइना येंगली कन्नाना खोंगली ब्रह्मा बिना कपिला समृदंग मुडुजो शरमंडल मंदिला सैसक्ली खराना नुशिना येरी ब्रह्मा ताल द इंद्रताल एक ताल द प्रथम ताल द येरक्ले थै 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 दिगता राधा निंथिबी बनामाले ओय नन शक्ति सिंह कोई कोई न येंगी कनान खोंगली ब्रह्मा बिना रुनु झुनु नपुटन किंकिनी न किने किने नुंसिब पुंगलोन सुयेरी निंखिजरी साजत्सु सातीक्षु येरी ब्रह्मा ताल द इंद्र ताल एक ताल द प्रथम